Welcome to the Weather Centre on Wednesday, where we can expect sunny and warmer conditions over most of the interior. We'll see a bit of cloud along the east coast with partly cloudy and dry weather over the southern part of the country. It'll be a mostly cloudy and mild day in the southwest as that cloud builds up ahead of a cold front on Thursday. Fog is forecast along the west coast, and that results in a cooler day over the extreme western part of the country. There's a high fire danger warning over the interior with dry and windy conditions expected, and the possibility of runaway fires in the shade of red. It'll be a dry day across South Africa on Wednesday with no rainfall in the forecast. Temperatures are warmer in the northeast with a high of around 30 degrees. For Mahikeng, Potchefstroom and Pretoria, 26 as we head towards Bombela and Polokwane, and Ermelo reaching 23 in the afternoon. 28 for Bloemfontein and Welkom with highs in the low and middle 20s for KwaZulu-Natal. We'll also see warmer weather all the way through to the Eastern Cape with most highs in the upper 20s and low 30s, and we'll even see a few of those highs setting into the mid 30s in the afternoon. A fresh northeasterly wind is forecast for Port St John's at 23, with strong winds for East London at 24, a light southeasterly breeze for Richards Bay at 22, with a 3-metre easterly swell at 13 seconds. 34 degrees for Graaff-Reinet and Beaufort West. You'll see many of those highs still in the low 30s over the interior part of the Western Cape. A few degrees cooler for Vredendal at 28 degrees, 21 for Muizenberg and Hermanus, with a moderate southerly wind for False Bay and more of a southwester along the coast between Hermanus and Plettenberg Bay. Jeffreys Bay can expect a light easterly wind at 27, with a 2.5-metre easterly swell at 10 seconds. 30 degrees for Kimberley Uppington at 36. Colesberg and Springbok can both expect a high of 27. You'll see a maximum temperature of 24 for Longabon, 23 for the rest of the weather stations along the west coast, with a moderate southerly wind for Alexander Bay and Longabon, and more of a south-southwester for Table Bay. Along the west coast, we're expecting a 1-metre west-southwesterly swell. A cold front brings in cooler weather over the western and southern part of South Africa on Thursday, with most of the rainfall in the forecast for the Western Cape and evening rain for East London at 22, but with a sizzling hot day in the forecast in the northeast. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a wonderful Wednesday.